Here it comes. Open up. Oh, he don't like it. Oh, is it that bad? Is it that bad? Is it that bad, sweetheart? Huh? Give you a bit more. Give you a bit more. Here you go. Want a little bit more? You're thinking about it. I don't know if you want any more or not. Get a little taste of it. Oh my. Oh my. Ooh. There goes the eyebrow. Oh my. Okay. Oh goodness. Oh goodness. It ain't that bad. It ain't that bad. It's not that bad. Look here. Look here. Look here. You gonna try a little bit more? So we might be calling quits on this moment and getting me some formula to shake. Look here. Try some here. Here comes a little bit more. Look here. Look here. Look here. You're always wanting to try food so bad. Yeah, he is. This ain't what I was wanting to try. On what day was this on your plate? Is it good? Is that better? Are you getting used to it now? Yeah, it's too bad, I guess. Want some more? What's Daddy doing? Is Daddy watching you? Is Daddy watching you eat this stuff, huh? Is it good? No. Is it good? There you go. You're doing good. You're doing good. Yeah. If you a little bit more. Here it comes. Where are you going? Where are you going? You can't get up. We're not done yet. You can't get up. We're not done yet. Look here. Look here. Look here. Nicholas. Are you trying to escape? Here. Here's some more.